A day in the life of a couple jubilar.
Goodness. Sana all. Shaking the tree.
Nag-island hopping kami sa Balikasag Island sa Bohol. Yes, Balikasag Island is good for snorkeling. You can see different colorful marine life. Yes, sobrang daming isda guys. And the ambience and the views, amazing. Grabe, sobrang ganda talaga yung lugar nila. Na-preserve nila for the tourist. Yes, na-preserve nila yung lugar. And then, pwede kayong bumisita dyan guys by friends, families. Safe naman dahil meron naman silang life vest, nakantabay naman sa inyo yung boatman nyo. Laging nakasunod naman talaga. Pwede kayong lumangoy, nahahawak lang talaga doon sa boat. And then, pwede. And then, after that, we also have sea tortoise. We also had swimming, taking pictures and videos. After that area guys, because we're not staying, we